What's up everyone, Michael from 2FAS here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to properly configure 2FAS Pass with Chrome browser on your Android phone. Let's say I wanna log into my Amazon account. Without any configuration, I would have to manually copy and paste credentials from 2FAS Pass into the login form. With Autofill enabled, I can just click this button and all the credentials will be automatically placed in the correct field. This is the exact result you will get after following this tutorial. In 2FAS Pass, go to Settings, Autofill and Set up Autofill. Now it will take you to your phone settings, and from the list of preferred services you want to choose 2FAS Pass. Click OK and go back. Now there will be a new list, Browsers. Here click the toggle button next to Chrome. It will take you to Chrome settings, and here you will need to choose Autofill using another service. Restart and you are good to go. As you can see now, everything is working perfectly, and even if the domain is not recognized by the password manager, it will suggest you to choose something from the list of saved credentials. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description, you can ask them there or in the comments section under this video. Subscribe and see you in the next tutorials.